Birda, come here. Come here, Birda, I got something to tell you. Ugh. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. Oh, you were sleeping and I woke you up. Well, I got news for you, dog. We're gonna go to the garden, do a little garden update. Yeah? Okay. We'll check up on everything, see how everything's doing. Come here. Don't go too far. Come here, missus. Go be a dog, go do dog things. All right. First thing, blueberries. Looking good. This one, looking dead. That one, growing. Growing. Growing spindly. Growing. Growing. Struggling. Growing. Growing. And growing. So this is like a couple years after I planted them. They got chewed literally to the earth after the first winter. The rabbits came in and just decimated them. Check out the raspberries. They're leafing out pretty good. Coming along pretty nice. I actually haven't been in the garden for a few days, so I'm not sure what to expect. I'll take a little looky-loo. Yeah. Brome grass is growing nice. But hand size on the rhubarb. Still got a little ways to go. Over here, nothing's popped on the zucchini. Birdie, get out of there. Get back up, back up. You don't need to go in there. This is all planted now. So we got a row of, I mean, it's really hard to see. Let me see if I can get the zoom back. So we got little tomato plants. Row of tomatoes. We got pepper, Brussels, pepper, Brussels, broccoli, pepper. Here's a row of tomatoes. Pepper, broccoli, Brussels, pepper, Brussels. Ooh, I see something. That there is my first sweet bean pea thing. I can't say the wrong thing, otherwise the internet gets mad at me. Sugar snaps. Those are sugar snaps. I don't see anything popping on that. I did plant cucumber plants, so I put a few seeds down. So mental note, there's a few seeds over here, heirloom. There's a few seeds in the middle, heirloom. And there's a few seeds on this end, heirloom. Those starters probably aren't heirloom. Ooh, potatoes are up. There's a potato, he's up. A little potato popping there. That's good. The dog decided to dig some of these potatoes up, so I'm not sure how this section. I came up one day and the potatoes were all kicked, so we'll see how it goes. Looks like they're popping. There's some pop right there. A few little guys. Ooh, there's a big one. He's big. Popping. From this stake down is what I'm not sure about. These are some pretty ratty old potatoes. I'll be shocked if any of this grows, but you never know. Crazier things have happened. So, yeah, that's the garden. The garden is updated. I don't think any of the beans that I planted are popping up yet, just the ferals. I put barley out here, we'll see what happens. It's barley I grew, so I'm not sure how strong it is. Take a little bit for that to pop up. Oh, nice, left my pliers out. This is strawberry patch. Strawberries are looking good. Strong strawberries. What is this guy? You're not a strawberry. Got flowers going already. Looking healthy. Check the asparagus. Oh yeah. Got asparagus there. I got asparagus there. Well, this guy over here is so big. Better eat him before he goes rotten. So rotten asparagus. Check for bugs first. Like a rabbit. Getting a little woody at the end. What else we got going on? We got chives out there. It's all chives and brome grass. Mint over there. Yeah, I started digging these trees out. Had to dig out the brambles, so this is kind of made a steamroller hash mash through there, but I think I'm supposed to cut these out every year. So I need to get in there and clear those out. People just yelling in the forest. But I don't know. It was a long weekend of me not doing anything at the yard here. I was doing other things all weekend. So I'm trying to think what today is. Today's already Tuesday. Jesus, what did I do Monday? Oh, I've been dealing with cabinets. That'll be a different video. Different video. But yeah, that's the garden. Let's see if we can get the beast back in here. Come here. Come here, beast. Come here, beast. Come here. Yeah, who is that? She don't like it. She don't like it. Leave him alone, bird. Come here. Come here. Leave him alone. That's her icy human bark. Put that spine down. Look at so mad. Why are you so mad? Why are you so mad? Why are you so mad? Dog doesn't understand. All right. Let's into this one. Stay safe.